How do you take a headshot that doesn't look like this? Or this? Or this? Hi, I'm Melanie, a graduate student in digital media strategy. I specialize in content creation, and today we're talking about headshots on a budget. What do you think of when you hear headshots? That's something only actors get, right? Wrong. Having a high quality photo of yourself matters, whether this is for social media or your professional development. It's important to know that photos convey personality. Take this video from Canon, for example. They released a video in which 6 photographers were given different backstories about the same man. They were told he was anything from a self-made millionaire to an ex-convict. The results? I guess you could say he was framed. Anyway, the persona in which you present yourself online makes a dramatic difference in how your audience perceives you. So if headshots matter, how do you get one when you don't have the money? Professional photographers' prices range anywhere from $75 to $1,000 per session. This depends on the photographer, their experience, and the length of the shoot. Don't worry, you can do it yourself. All you need is a friend with a digital camera. And I don't mean a phone camera. It's easy to tell the difference between a phone camera versus a digital camera like a DSLR. Now, here are the top 3 most important technical elements of a headshot: background, lighting, expression, posture. I'm here with Danielle. Starting with step 1, the background. Generally speaking, it's good practice to have a simple, plain background. This could be against a white or neutral colored wall. The important thing is not to have any distracting elements in the background, like poles sticking out of people's heads or other random objects. This distracts from the subject, you. For this demonstration, I'm using the corner of this room against this nice, simple gray wall. Let's see how this looks on Danielle. The background looks nice, but as you can see, the lighting isn't very good. This leads to step 2, lighting. Personally, I find this to be the most important step. Now, lighting is a complicated subject. It changes the mood of your photo. If you're interested in learning more about why lighting matters, I wrote a blog about the basics of lighting that I strongly encourage you to check out. For cheap, easy lighting, the best solution is to use natural light and sit by a window. Right now, the light's coming from the side of Danielle's face. Her face is really in shadow. It's not very flattering. Let's try turning her at an angle towards the window and see what happens. See the difference? Sitting at an angle towards the window allows for more flattering light. This is because there's a better balance of light and shadow on someone's face. This is looking much better. Notice that there are still some shadows on the side of her face. This is easily fixed with a reflector. Reflector is a large white surface that bounces light back onto your subject. Let's see what this does. See the difference? A reflector allows to soften the shadows on the face. Now that we have our background and our lighting, let's move on to the final step, expression and posture. This video from Sean Tucker, a professional photographer, encourages you to try a variety of expressions from smiling to serious and see what suits your personality. In this photo of Danielle, she's kind of slouching and looks disinterested. Let's try sitting up straight and we'll try a variety of expressions. A final tip I have for you is to remember to take lots of photos so you have plenty to choose from. So there you have it, professional headshots without the cost. A combination of simple background, nice window lighting, and an expression that conveys who you are is a recipe for success. See you next time.